The next thing you should look at is channel cost. Now, everyone knows you got to spend some money to make some money, but the cost to acquire a given customer may or may not be worth it to you. Let's take a look at an example. You have a lemonade stand where you sell lemonade for $1 per glass. You want to get some more customers, so you run a billboard ad for $1,000. Turns out it brings in 500 customers. Is that good or bad? Well, you're actually losing money because you're only getting $1 per customer. You spend $1,000, you're out 500 bucks. So what you need to be thinking about is how much does this channel cost me per customer? And that is what you call your customer acquisition cost, or your CAC. Another thing you should be asking is, how much am I spending versus how much am I getting back? Are you actually making money from the dollars you're putting in, or are you just burning cash? And for that, we look at customer lifetime value to customer acquisition cost ratio, or your LTV to CAC ratio. Next, you should be asking, when am I getting payback for these acquisition efforts? If you're not careful, you can run into a cash flow problem because you spent all this money, your bank account goes to zero, and you haven't been paid back on it yet. And for that, we look at payback period. Finally, you should be asking, can I actually reduce the cost of this channel by improving performance? And we'll be talking more about that in an upcoming lecture. Next, I'll show you how to calculate these values.